I have the honor to present to you the 638 candidates for graduation, batch 2023-2024. 10 candidates, Juris Doctor ng thesis. 7 candidates, Doctor of Dental Medicine. 3 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. 3 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. 2 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering. 3 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. 11 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. 8 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Aeronautical Engineering. 1 candidate, Bachelor of Science in Architecture.
Wow, isa lang.
6 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Physical Therapy. 2 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Occupational Therapy. 54 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. 5 candidates, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. 1 candidate, Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. 1 candidate, Bachelor of Physical Education. 10 candidates, Bachelor of Elementary Education. 1 candidate, Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in Preschool.
Isa lang.
25 candidates, Bachelor of Arts in Communication. 9 candidates, Bachelor of Arts, major in Political Science. 4 candidates, Bachelor of Arts in Psychology. 52 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Psychology. 33 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. 1 candidate, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Development Management. 3 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management. 56 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. 1 candidate, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Sa lalaki.
1 candidate, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, ITIAM. 52 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. 44 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. 2 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. 23 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. 10 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Criminology. 18 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Radiologic Technology. 9 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy. 5 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Respiratory Therapy. 135 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Technology.
Yes!
12 candidates, Bachelor of Science in Aviation Electronics Technology. 14 candidates, Aircraft Maintenance Technology. 1 candidate, Avionics. they have satisfactorily complied with the requirements set by the Commission on Higher Education, and upon the recommendation of the Dean and the faculty, may now be conferred the respective diplomas and certificates.
Our university president will now confer upon our graduates their respective diplomas, titles, and certificates.
So, all right, this is it. By virtue of the powers vested in me by the Legal Education Board, by the Commission on Higher Education, by the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, and by the Board of Directors of the University of Perpetual Health System, DALTA, I, Dr. Anthony Jose M. Tamayo, President, confer upon you your respective titles and degrees, and all the appurtenances and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations again.
Yes, graduate na sila.
Thank you very much.